Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with this project share and invitation to watch my step-by-step tutorial for this card over at Craft and New Design YouTube channel, which I'm going to include at the end of this video. So basically I created this card and that step-by-step tutorial is on that channel, and I used this brand new collection by Craft and New Design paint over the winter. Some of you have seen my previous project and some of you have seen my unboxing of my latest design team pack, and this is such a pretty collection. So if you've missed that one, you can still check it out and look through the presentation of that collection. So basically what I did, I if you watch my channel, if you subscribe to my channel, which I encourage you to do so you're not going to miss any new upcoming videos, you know that lately I love making round cards. Some of them are just normal round, some of them are kind of with a scalloped edge, so I enjoy making them and I think they're really nice. So this card I created for that channel, and as you can see I used vellum to create my poinsettias. So let me tell you more about the product. So as I said, I use this collection and it's really pretty and love the color palettes, love those beautiful animals. So I used that window, which is on the reverse of that front cover. I also use, I think this is my favorite paper from the whole collection. I use paper number 2, use that section, and the layer underneath that one is the one with the poinsettias. And of course I love fussy cutting, so I use some of those sleeves. I love those sleeves, so I cut them out and use them on my card. And lately they released another mini collection of cutting dies and I received them just a few days ago. So let me show you. These are from that new collections. I use that reef, which you can see around that beautiful window. That scene is so pretty. I hope you can see those beautiful snowy mountains at the background. It's like a very foggy day, that Christmas tree and those beautiful elements here. I think it's so pretty. I just love that one. And then the second cutting die from that brand new collection is those beautiful snowflakes. They are called decorative chains 1 because there is another set which is very similar but a bit longer and it just goes a little bit differently, but I use this one. And let me show you, because I actually cut them out to show you how they look and how pretty they are. So this one is 1, 2, this one has a little snowflake in the middle of those 2 stars, and this one has 1 star in the middle and 2 snowflakes. And the other thing what you can do, you can leave it as it is, or you can, let me just put it aside, push that star out and you can use this one and you can add those stars somewhere else on your project or leave it for another project. So I think this die set is so pretty and it's so versatile, and you can add it not only to your Christmas or wintry projects, but you can use it on your baby cards. For example, this one has only stars, so it doesn't show any snowflakes, so I think this one is really pretty. And this one as well doesn't have any snowflakes, so basically you can use it on any new baby or children's cards. So really fantastic sets. And what else? I use those 2 sets of poinsettias. I use the big one and the small one, and of course I use the vellum to create my poinsettias, which I hope you can see how beautiful they look. And I will try to create another video showing you different what kind of products you can use to cut out and create your poinsettias with. So paper, watercolor paper, foam, fabric, as you can see, vellum, so many different ways to create that poinsettia, and you know, whatever you have in your stash, you can use that. So I hope I inspired you to create something like this. I know that probably Anne Lane, she already has this collection because she won my giveaway, and I sent a few bits and pieces to another person. I hope she received it as well. So let me know what do you think about this card. I hope you will go over to Craft a New Design YouTube channel and watch my step-by-step tutorial. I know that it's in Polish, but you will be able still to see all those steps and maybe create your own with this collection or with other collections as well. I hope you will check out that step-by-step tutorial, and please can you write me some comments, because yes, it's almost end of the year and I really want to stay on that design team, and I'm still not sure if they're going to do another call or they will ask us if we want to stay on, because I really love that brand and I would love to stay on. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, for your wonderful comments, and I will see you in my next video. And maybe I will do a video in which I will show you that brand new dies which were released just over a week ago maybe. So let me know if you want to see that brand new release. So thank you once again, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.